Hi guys, this is Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just here to give you a very quick heads up on a new series that is going to be starting on my channel. So it is called 7 Days of Toppers, and yep, we are going to make 7 days worth of toppers. So yep, we're going to kind of do a variety of different kind of toppers using different mediums or, you know, different materials, I suppose. And yeah, get some gorgeous things going on for our junk journal covers. The series will be starting on Thursday the 28th of April. It's obviously 7 days of toppers, and then I think, if I recall, there is a final day, so a sort of bonus day, number 8, where we kind of play around with one of the toppers that we've made and, you know, kind of do an overview of all what we did make. So yeah, I hope that you're going to join me. We're going to have loads and loads of fun, and, you know, hopefully they're just going to be really inspiring and, you know, offering you kind of some ideas and things for making toppers, which will just make bringing your junk journal covers together so much quicker and easier. And, you know, if you're like me, I know that definitely, you know, in the beginning of my junk journal journey, I definitely struggled with making covers and, you know, how to decorate the covers, and, you know, often struggled for like a focal point or something like that. And the toppers, they just really make it, you know, very kind of hassle-free and effortless to bring your cover together in a sort of cohesive way. So yeah, I really hope that you're all going to join me. Like I say, it's starting on the 28th of April, so that's Thursday 28th of April, and yeah, hopefully we're going to have lots and lots of fun and just make some gorgeous yummy things. So I really look forward to seeing you there, and yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.